Is that better?
Yes, so much better.
Okay. Go.
Okay, hi. Hi, people.
You guys ready to smash these gingerbread houses?
What are you gonna hit yours with? A baseball bat, a hammer, or a stick?
Get your hammer.
This, okay. Addie, come stand over here out of the way. Wait, don't do it yet. First, you have to say what your least favorite part of last year was.
Missing today.
Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday suck.
Yeah.
Wait. What do you really want to happen in the next year?
Toe.
Snow. All right, ready? Should we count down for you? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smash it!
Yeah.
He's smashing it.
Do it again!
Hit it again.
Yeah!
My turn.
Okay.
Choose your weapon, Addie.
Okay, Addie. What was the worst part of last year?
Coronavirus.
And what do you hope for in the new year?
No coronavirus.
All right.
5, 4, 3. Don't hit Grandma's car. 2, 1.
Yeah.
Go. Go.
Okay.
Go away.
Okay.
Go.
All right, Mario.
Okay, my turn.
I mean, that's all what I said. Fireworks.
I'm gonna use the baseball bat.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Not that you're totally gonna use the hammer.
Margo, what was your least favorite part of last year?
Not going to be able to go to restaurants and stuff.
Okay. What are you looking for in the new year?
Being able to hang out with all of our family and stuff.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Me and Mark are very violent right now.
Whose turn is it now? Mom.
Oh, it's so cute though.
Then you can keep it forever.
Yeah. Make it turn super hard like a rock.
Okay.
Okay,
Babe,
Mom.
what was your favorite part
What
of...
was the worst part of 2020?
Trump.
Yes! Yes!
Let's hoping somebody.
And what's going to be the best part of 2021?
Biden. Okay, ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smash it!
Oh!
You saved the sled? The sled was completely unharmed.
Oh, good job.
Fireworks. I'm keeping the little part of this rib.
No.